Greetings, YouTube. It has been a minute. I think it's been like 2 years since my last project video and like 6 years since I was doing it consistently. But had to kind of put it aside, focus on what I wanted to do, which was have my own woodworking business, which I now have. Been doing it for 3 years. YouTube was just kind of taking too much time, project videos and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna make a little bit of a comeback, at least try to. Not sure how that's gonna look right now because I have a little bit of a problem. My videos are not monetized anymore. Last year, end of 2021, I got an email from YouTube saying that my watch hours were below 3K, so they turn off the monetization feature then. So I need to work back up to get those watch hours up. So I think what I'm gonna do is kind of do a little bit of a vlog. I got projects going on all the time, so just bring you along, show you what I'm doing, explain some stuff, doing some time lapses, stuff like that, just to try to get those watch hours back up. And then once I do, we'll go from there. I don't know if I'll just do project videos, maybe continue to do the vlog. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm open to two suggestions. I'm winging this. There's not gonna be a ton of editing in it. Like everything's gonna be shot on my phone or my GoPro. Nothing fancy, just getting the channel going again. So yeah, so I guess maybe I'll show you what I'm working on now, and then I'm not sure when the next video will be. It'll probably be sometime next week. Yeah, because I'm starting on a new project today. So I'll show you that too, at least the wood for it, so. All right, so one project I have finished up here is a bathroom vanity out of some beautiful African mahogany. So this is pretty much done. I just can't install it right now because the bathroom isn't ready. So I think I might take this over to my client's house. They said I could store it in the garage, which would be awesome. There's a couple little things I need to do, but it's pretty much done, as you can see. And then over here, sorry, it's a little bit of a mess. This is a wine credenza. There is a small wine fridge that is gonna go there, holds 12 bottles. And then a door will be here with some adjustable shelves. And then this is the top. This is a sugar gum top, and it had a bunch of cracks and stuff in it, so I'm just filling it with some black resin. So this is kind of a side project, working on it here and there. Obviously, it doesn't pay, so I'm just trying to, like I said, work on it. So I'm pretty much almost done with it. I just got to sand this and then paint everything. Everything's going to get painted white except for the inside. It's going to stay the same. And then here is an Etsy order that I got done. I haven't had an Etsy order in a long time. It's been like a month. I don't know what's going on with Etsy. They got their old fee issue when people are boycotting it and everything. But hey, I got one order, so I'm sending this out today in the mail. And so now the next project I'm working on, which you'll see me build here, is a 4-post queen bed made out of some alder. So here I got some 8-quarter alder, and I have some 6-quarter alder, and then some 4-quarter alder. So this will soon be a queen size bed, and then it's gonna get stained with a brownish stain and then finished, obviously. So that is what you will see next here in the next video, is me milling up all this wood to start building the bed. All right, so that is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, I haven't said that in a while. But stick around, follow me on this journey of having a small woodworking business. I hope you enjoy these. Let me know how they look. If I need to fix anything, like I said, everything is shot on my phone, nothing fancy, everything's edited on my phone. So any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. If not, I'll see you on the next one.